This is just a side quest. Pet dogs. Plus, my dogs are now also going to be able to meet new people with my hands.
Okay.
Let's go. Get off.
With the aesthetic pictures, part 3.
Can they even get cancer? No, but they can get sick. That tree's dead.
Oh, that's a sick tree, bruh.
No, it's an oak tree. They call them oak.
It's a sycamore.
A sick.
Oak tree.
Does the sycamore get sick?
It is an oak tree. It's oak tree.
Evergreen. These trees.
Yeah.
Those are junipers.
If they're green, they
They're
are
evergreens.
yeah, evergreens
Yeah.
are a type of tree that just stay green.
That doesn't lose their leaves.
Yep. They never lose their leaves. And those trees do lose their leaves.
Yeah, they do. Good job.
But they're still alive when they.
Yeah. More aesthetic pictures with Allie.
Okay. What? I'm gonna you're not me.
My gallery is gonna be filled with aesthetic pictures. Okay. See, like right here is aesthetic. Right there's aesthetic. Right there's aesthetic. There's aesthetic. All I wanted was a bigger butt. Mommy coming disappointment. Daddy coming fat. That's the song. My parents never said that. Oh, hi. Oh.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
That's our dog.
What's up, bruh? Oh, hi. Hi.
Our dog.
That looks so much like Sadie, but it's a good boy.
Doo-doo, baby.
Did you just
He's
call
a
him
psycho.
a poo-poo doo-doo baby?
No, I tried to be funny.
At least he didn't punch me.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, I'll never see you again. Bye.
Bye. Wait, where are we going? It's only 11:59.
Yeah.
Zach, he's on you.
He's on ya.